Thank
probably
you.
what are the takeaways from this game, first game of the season?
Yeah, I think this is historic for us as a team. First game in the Super League, in the top flight league, and then you start that with a win. I mean, you can't ask for more. What is important for us is that we have taken off. It was difficult, I must admit, difficult, and we always knew that it was going to be difficult. Despite having a galaxy of stars in our team, I think it's important to understand that football is a process. You may buy whoever you want from the market, but in the end, the players have to understand each other and play as a team in the long run. So that is a process. It doesn't happen in one day. It doesn't happen during pre-season. So I think with more games, the team will then start to play as a team. At the moment, we are not a team yet, but I think what is important is what we have done here today, get maximum points. What is important is the tactical discipline that the team had. We were working on these things, and I'm happy as a coach that what we were working on at training, especially defensively, was being implemented. I think that's what is important. But with more time on the pitch at training, we will come good. We will start to play as a team and the way we are expected to play. So yeah, overall, the performance is not so pleasing. If you look at the expectations of the crowd and people, it's not so pleasing. But in the end, like I've said, we are building a team, and in the end, I'm confident that we can then become a team. Putting players, so many of them, a galaxy of players together is one thing, and then of course making them to play as a team is another. So yeah, I've said it's a process, and we are very patient. We are very patient, and hopefully after a few games we can then start to play the way that we want and the way that everyone will understand.
And the competition that you got from Triangle today,
yeah.
What can you say about this?
Like I've mentioned, Triangle are a team. If you look at their team, they haven't lost too many faces. They came from Division 1 like this. They understand each other. You could see the understanding between their players that this was a team. But I like the effort. They were doing everything right. It's just unfortunate that they then lost through that goal. It's part of the game, but the effort was good. They defended very well. I think we didn't get so many chances or clear-cut chances to score. That shows that they were very solid defensively, and they had good moments going forward. But like I've said, from our end, we then expected our players, any one of our players, to win the match for us. We then had to win it otherwise, which is okay. I'll take that. I'll take 3 points and then keep working on the team, and hopefully in the next few games to come we can then become a very competitive side. But I like the effort that Triangle put in, and then of course the effort that our team put in.
Coach, you spoke about expectations from the people in the club. What is being expected?
What do you expect when you have a galaxy of stars? The expectations are for the team to win 5-0, 6-0. I mean, that is the expectation. But football is not like that. Football is not like that. You have to work for it. And today, they worked for it. But unfortunately, those that were probably at the top of the charts, if you look at the way we set up our team today, with Walter, we had about 10 goals, Timon had 9, then Lino had 17 goals. So the expectation from the crowd is goals galore. But football is not like I've said, it's a process. We need to work on how we can carve open the defenses and get the goals. Most teams will come like this. except probably the big teams. But we expect most teams to come and play the way that Triangle played today, and with some bit of lift from the crowd. It looks like they had so many supporters around, and that gave them lots of energy. And we expect every team that comes here to do the same. But in the end, what is important is the result. We have taken off 3 points. I'm satisfied by that, and we can move on.
And how much of a task is it for you to be surrounded by so many stars and having to pick the final 11 on Matchday?
I think the task is very easy, very, very easy. It's different. It's a different scenario if you don't have any area of stars. But if you have stars, I mean, everyone has his responsibility. They all understand what they're expected to do. They all understand that they can't all play at the same time. So yeah, the best way is to give everyone a chance, and that's what we are going to do. So in short, we're going to rotate our squad going forward if everyone is back and fit.
Any word to substitutions?
Any
word to the substitutes? They showed great impact when they came in.
Yeah, I mean, that's what like I've said, is quality. What we expect is for every substitute that we make to make an impact, and that was evident. That came in. Panache Mtimpanyoka, I mean, we all know him. Michael Tapera, we all know him. We all know what they can do. So yeah, they did what they were supposed to do, and I'm happy.
Thank you very much, Coach.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Coach.